Please copy this. The topic is INDICES. Okay? This is A, is called base, B-A-S-E in this topic. We repeat that very same base. Do not use any other letters. So we want to put a power up here. M. We want to put another power up here. N. So there are 4 operations we can do. The first one is plus. What is A to the power of M plus A to the power of N? Nothing more, nothing less. It's exactly the same. In other words, A, the base, to the power of M plus A, the very same base, not B, not Q, not Z, not whatever, A, base, to the power of N will be equal to, when it's plus, exactly itself. Nothing there, okay? Same. The next operation is minus. What is A to the power of M minus A to the power of N? Here. Same. It is equal to A to the power of M minus A to the power of N. Nothing more, nothing less. However, when we multiply the two of them, left hand side and right hand side, a law comes into effect. This is the A, the base. We must have the same A, the same base. If it's Q, it won't work. Okay? It must be the same, so it will be simplified to also an A. What is the simplification? The simplification is the first power will come back in the first position here. Left hand side, left hand side. Now right hand side, the second power here will come over here. Effect. Just turn like this. 90 degrees only. It will come up to be a plus. Or you can even turn the other way, 90 degrees only, and then it will look like a plus. That, my dear mathspreneurs, is the very important law number 1 of INDICES. Okay? So this thing must never ever be forgotten. If this thing is forgotten, then you know what the result will be. Okay? No offense, but you will know. So don't ever forget this. Law number 1 of INDICES. Done. Very easy. We'll have many examples, okay? We will change this one, which means this is changed. Then later on in another sum, we will change this to another type and another type and another type and another type. Yet the law will always hold true. We will also change this one and change this one and another type and another type and another type and another type. When we come to that, you'll know what the other type and the other type and the other type and the other types are. But the same law will come into effect. Law number 1. Here we use A. Sometimes they use small here. Mostly they'll use small here. But I purposely and I purposefully wanted to change it. So that's very clear. A, a triangle comes in here. In fact, I've created videos earlier. I did like this for the very weak students. But don't you give up hope. So I'm belaboring the point to tell you, if people whom you love and who love you, no matter who, where, and whoever it is, have written you off, have said you will never ever pass pure maths, you will never ever pass additional mathematics. In my country, there's additional mathematics. I've written 3 books on additional mathematics. And what is additional mathematics? Is pure mathematics plus a few more chapters, extra, additional. So they call that additional mathematics. But if you really want to name it, it should be additional pure mathematics. That is very clear. Normally at the Form 3 level, that's about around 15 years old, they will all get A because A, B, C, D, E, that type, objective. Then they go to the 4th form, Form 4 they call it. They will start writing their first paper. The first month, get 2 marks. A, student will get A. But they get 2 marks. Whoa, no joke. Why? Because the gap is too high. It's like you are climbing a simple hill or mountain in your country, then you're going to the straight away to Mount Everest and K2 and all that. Cannot. The gap has not been filled. You cannot simply jump from here to there and fly there. So they don't know how to write. Here they get only 1 line answer or whatever there. They have to write about quarter of a page or maybe half a page, sometimes very long ones with drawing the graph, this, that. It goes to the next page and they cannot manage it because they have not been prepared. But I'm preparing you, don't you worry. So if anyone has given up on you, and most importantly, if you have given up on yourself, I will not give up on you. Yeah, I won't give up on you. My only goal is 100%. You can laugh. I will laugh sincerely for good. Okay? It's 100%. As long as you know a to the power of m times a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. Wonderful. Law number 1 in your hands. Forget, so what? Repeat. Revise until it gets in your head. As we keep on doing, it will be internalized. So nothing to worry. Good. So you know what the first law is? Even if you forget, don't worry, it will come back. We'll be doing a lot of sums until it will be internalized in our minds. It will be drilled down into our minds until it's so clear we don't have to revise. So A, that's why the inverted triangle in yellow was there. And then the first power follows obediently, the first power. The second power here follows obediently after that here. So all this you have to do is just clockwise or follow the clock. 90 degrees. Here it becomes plus. Or you go against the clock or counterclockwise or anti-clockwise. 90 degrees it still becomes a plus. That's all. No, nothing difficult. And then we go to law number 2. Before that, allow me to see how long it has taken. Yeah, 13. I think we should stop. Yeah, stop. No need to go too much. As long as you understand this, I'm so happy you have gotten 100%, 100%. We'll take it easy, slow and steady. Don't overload yourself. Law 1, Law 2, Law 3. We feel so happy. We covered so much, but we cannot recall. Just master this, okay? And then we'll go forward. Seriously. Then law number 2. The next one will be just law number 2.